In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reserve bundle listing on Depop. If you've agreed on a bundle sale with a buyer and you want to make a custom listing just for them, this is a simple way to do it clearly and professionally. The goal is to group the selected items into one listing, make the price match what you negotiated, and label it so the buyer knows it's meant for them. To begin, open Chrome and go to depop.com. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed into your seller account so you can create a new listing without interruption. Starting on the desktop site can make the process a little easier, especially when you're uploading multiple photos and checking all the listing details carefully. From there, click on Sell to open the new listing tool. This is where you'll build the custom bundle listing. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct listing form before moving on, since everything you enter here will be visible to the buyer. Next, enter a clear title for the listing. Use the format Reserved Bundle for Buyer Username. Keeping the title specific helps prevent confusion and signals that the listing is not intended for the general public. It also helps the buyer quickly recognize their custom post when they're ready to purchase. After that, add photos showing the grouped bundle items. Make sure the images clearly represent everything included in the sale. If possible, choose photos that are bright, easy to understand, and consistent with the original item listings. Since this is a bundle, visual clarity is especially important so the buyer can confirm that all agreed items are included. Then set the price to the negotiated bundle value. Double check this amount before posting, since it should reflect exactly what you and the buyer agreed on. This helps avoid mistakes and keeps the transaction smooth. In the description section, list the bundled items clearly. Write out each item included so there's a written record of what the buyer will receive. This adds transparency and can help reduce any misunderstandings later. Keep the wording simple and direct so the listing is easy to review at a glance. Once everything looks correct, click Post to make the bundle live. After posting, it's a good idea to review the live listing one more time to make sure the title, photos, price, and description all appear as expected.